Okay, so I'm gonna start it a couple of times for you. Once with a view from the back, just so you can see that there's no blue smoke or anything. And then once from up front. So this hasn't been started yet today. So this is a complete cold start. Ready? Yep. You want to pop the hood there, Kurt? And we'll just start it one more time.
For sure.
You actually fire it up and we'll show them the start. Alright, I'll get him to pop the hood.
Okay.
Just going to rev it up a little bit. There you are, buddy. I'll send this and you'll find the Carfax attached to this email as well. So I'm going on holidays as of today. I'm gone until the 11th. But that handsome little bugger is going to take care of you. And once we get this all wrapped up, he's the one that's going to be meeting you in Vancouver. But yeah, anyway, there you are, buddy. Talk soon.